Hey everyone, David D'Souza here, and today we are here with another Excel tutorial. So today's tutorial is simple. All we're doing is we're just standardizing phone numbers, right? Imagine you have phone numbers written in different ways, and you just want to get them all to look a certain way, just one specific way for all of them. And I'm going to show you this to you. So look here on Excel. So if you look at this Excel sheet, right? You can see that these phone numbers are written very interestingly. So essentially what you do is on the left, as you can see, I have my Excel, and on the right, I have SheetXAI, right? I wrote all the information about how to get SheetXAI into your Excel in the bio. So you open SheetXAI and you just gotta ask, standardize all the phone numbers in column E to this format. That's it. There's no formulas, there's no none of that. You just ask. And when you send, watch it do some magic. Boom. As you can see here, everything became the perfect type of number. See, this thing is so simple, right? Excel and Google Sheets, they're so simple if you have SheetXAI, right? It's literally the best AI for Excel, AI for Google Sheets platform. So please give it a shot, try it out, and tell me anything else you want me to try. I'd love to. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a nice one. Bye.